Unboxing time. Hi besties. So I've gotten myself this trending wireless microphone. And then we are unboxing it together as my besties. So let's start. This is going to be the most dramatic unboxing ever because I've never done some before. Oh wow. This is how it looks. Yeah. They are two. Wow. What is this? Okay. I think. Oh, okay. This one is for Android, and then this one is iPhone. So you connect it with your phone. Okay. So it's not Bluetooth. I don't even know. Oh, okay, cable. I'm going to take content creation seriously this year. This mic. Prepare to be sick of me. Let me show you the mics. Okay. This is one. It has something like a clipper. So you can clip it to wherever you want to put it. Okay. Hi besties. Hi besties. So you charge it. This is the cable. Yeah. You connect. Then you charge. Before buying it, someone said you should. Okay, this is where you can put it on. So let's see if it will come. Oh, see, I don't know if you can see the green and red. So when you are charging, it will be red. So when you start using it, it will turn green. Let's remove this. Testing mic try 2. Prepare to be sick of me. I've not connected it yet. Let's see. Let's try and see. Where is the iPhone? Oh. So I'm connecting it with my phone right now for us to see if it will come. Okay. Ooh. I thought it was going to be the most dramatic unboxing ever. So let's see. Sorry guys. Ooh. So I've inserted it. Okay. Hello, try 2. So they said you can't hear your voice when you are doing it unless you are done. So let me talk and let's see if you will get the difference. I'm talking. Hello, try 2. And this is the manual. Prepare to be sick of me. Love you. Bye-bye.